Are you tired of waiting for your tax refund every year? What if you could access that money throughout the year instead? Adjusting your withholding allows you to do just that, and it's easier than you might think. Here, we'll explain why adjusting your withholding is important, especially if you've had any big changes in your life, and show you exactly how to do it. We'll also cover how to avoid the common pitfalls and ensure you don't end up paying penalties. Keep watching to learn how you can manage your finances smarter and enjoy your money when you need it most. So, if you received a large refund this year, that might have felt like a nice bonus, right? But actually, it means you've been giving the government an interest-free loan for almost a year. Now, instead of waiting for that big refund, why not keep more of your money in your pocket throughout the year? So, here's how you can start collecting your refund now. Simply take a look at the amounts being withheld from your paycheck and any estimated tax payments you're making and adjust them. This way, you can keep more money during the year rather than getting it all back at once later. Now, you might be thinking, why should I adjust my withholding? Well, it's particularly important if you've had any big changes in your life recently. Maybe you received a huge refund last year, got married or divorced, added a dependent, bought a home, or started or lost a job. Any of these situations could mean your withholding needs to be updated. Also, if your investment income has changed a lot, that's another good reason to check your withholding. Adjusting it can make sure you're not overpaying throughout the year. So, how do you make this change? It's pretty straightforward. You can modify your withholding anytime during the year, and you can even do it more than once. Just submit a new Form W-4 to your employer. Usually, changes will take effect a few weeks after you submit the new form. And if you make estimated tax payments, you can adjust these each time a quarterly payment is due. But here's the thing. While reducing your withholding or estimated tax payments puts more money in your pocket now, you have to be careful not to reduce them too much. If you don't pay enough tax throughout the year, you might end up owing interest and penalties when you file your return, even if you pay your total tax liability by the April deadline. Also, one more thing to think about when adjusting your withholding is any new tax legislation that might have passed. For instance, a few years ago, the IRS had to revise withholding tables to account for new deductions, changes in exemptions, and shifts in tax rates and brackets. Keeping an eye on new tax laws can help you make sure your withholding is accurate. So then, by adjusting your withholding, you can better manage your finances throughout the year, avoiding the scenario of giving the government an interest-free loan. Take a little time to review your situation, make any necessary changes, and keep more of your hard-earned money when you need it most. Here is some more information on how to update your W-4. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this helps you make the most of your finances.